I said this last week. Quiz on Wednesday, yeah. Chapter 1. Thought you were going to be a savior. Let's see if you work. You're probably over there for a reason. Okay. Rely on the kindness of other markers. Okay, that'll work. So nothing from homework? All right, so we killed chapter 1. It's dead. Die. Definition stuff, you just got to know them. There's almost always questions from some of those, so if any of them are a little bit freaky, just let me know. We got into chapter 2. We did histograms last time. We finished it. We actually got through an entire histogram. I want to do a few more things out of chapter 2, and then I've got a handout for you guys to work on. So I'll finally shut up and let you guys talk to each other and stuff. See what that feels like. Okay. We're gonna use a calculator too later. Yeah. So. So chapter 2 is all about descriptive statistics. It's once I collect some data, how can I present it to somebody? So we got the histogram, we talked about bar graphs, we've also got something else we're not going to really do is the pie charts. You guys have all seen pie charts, right? My favorite is when it's on the news and they have a pie chart that's like this, and they have... Somebody see a problem with that? Okay. So the news, some channels more than others, are a little notorious for having correct data but displaying it incorrectly to make things look different than what they really are. And then later they can just say, oh yeah, our graphics department messed up. Okay, good job. Okay. What we will talk about is this. We'll talk about the most basic way to display your data to somebody. And it's called, believe it or not, it's called a stem and leaf plot. Here, noisy. These low order ones, you can't get high of them. So the most basic way, this is actually kind of a very fundamental way to sort your data by hand. Right, it's using the stem and leaf. We will learn how the calculator can sort data for us. Right, it costs $100-something bucks. Should be able to put numbers in order, you would hope. Right, seems like a very good thing a calculator can do. Once again, let me just make up some data, which is not the way it normally works, but I'll... All right, that's fine. I like it. So say these are golf scores or something on the first so many holes. Anybody golf? Anybody do any golfing? Okay, neither do I. So see there's golf scores on the first so many holes with some golf tournament somewhere. You guys with me? Your scores. Right? If you hate golf, it could be some other score. Stem and leaf, there's a stem piece and a leaf piece. It's kind of to be expected. The stems here are going to be 4, 5, 6. Are there any 60s though? No, but still you want to put it there so it shows up empty. It's still something visual that I want my people, my audience to see. So my stems would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So maybe you can see what the leaves are going to be now. What am I going to put after the 4? I'm going to put all of its leaves. So what leaves am I going to put after 4? 2, 2. 7, 8. So you do put repeats, for sure. And then, of course, 1, 2. Nothing in the 60s. 74, 76. And then 80. That's so basic, right? Can't beat that shit. And if you kind of do this, you can see sort of a distribution of where the scores are. Most people seem to be in the 40s at the moment. Okay, like, very simple, right? So it's sort of like a histogram, but not really at all. This is sort of like the height of the bars here, but without any real work happening. I like it. Now watch this. Your problem isn't complete. I'm not finished yet until you put a key. All right, you can pick whatever data point you want to. You just want somebody, you're going to give this to them. You're not going to give them a big list of data. You're going to give this to them. So you want to tell them how to read it. Now, really stay with me now. What would change over there? I don't know how you're going to do this in your notes, but figure out a way. If I did this. What do you think? What would change? What's the stems? Are they different? Are they different? The stems. You have 4 followed by stuff, but it's followed by a decimal place, right? So the stems are still the same. The leaves are still the same. What would I change? The key. How am I supposed to read 4-2? No, that's the only thing that changed. Do you see it? Can you see it? Yes, maybe, yes. What if I did this? Thank God I record this. Maybe on your notes just say, oh, look at the freaking video. What if I did this instead? Hold on. You're like, that's back where it was, Jeff. So you haven't done shit. All right, give me a break. Give me a minute. 420. Yeah. All right, so 420, 420, 470, 480. Believe it or not, the same amount has a change. I just have to change the key. You guys see that? What would the key be now? 4-2 represents 420. Yeah. Let me stop there for a second. I mean, it's really basic, even to the point where you have flexibility in just how you represent something. You just have to tell people how to read it. Could you have put 42020 with some spaces in there? Yeah, but why the hell would you? You don't need to. You can just tell somebody how to read it. Okay, maybe? No? You hate that? You hate that? Oh, man. This should be something that's hated. Okay, I like it. I like it. Okay. So that's stem and leaf. Definitely put the empties in there. If you don't put a key on a quiz or a test, you're going to lose points, obviously, because without the key, it doesn't mean shit. So that's kind of important. Okay. Let's see what else I want to say. I think is that it? Really? Yeah. I like it. So let's do this. Actually, let's do this. This will help you out on this. Who needs to borrow a calculator? If you need one, bring up. Holy shit. Okay. If you need to borrow one, come up here with an ID of some kind, with your name and face on it. And I haven't checked the batteries. Oh, let's all hope. That one's dead. Oh, scheisse. Your batteries are low. This is gonna be bad. Check the batteries there. Is it bad? Oh shit. You check the batteries. Some of you guys are like, I don't even know how the hell to turn this thing on. Low? That's gonna suck everything. These are bad. Don't touch those. Okay, let me see. Okay, good. I think. No. I gotta go to the bottom here. Alright, that one's good. Who put an ID down already? Okay, that one's good. You down there? Yes. Yeah. Oop. Oh, poor little dude needs to sleep. No, no. This sucks so bad. Alright. Yay. I thought I had a thing of batteries in here. No. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Now I just got it. Alright. some of these I can save.
Sure, my wallet's in my car, but
Yeah,
the girl
mine
sitting
too.
next to me has to make it.
Okay, hold on.
Huh?
Mine's in my car, so I just...
Yeah. I mean, that's not.
Alright. So give me a minute, guys.
Thank you.
I don't know if I can. Over that.
You need help with us?
Yeah. Anybody else want to do one? Make sure you get them in there right, kids. Don't you smoke one out here. Impromptu science lesson. Hey! Everybody good? What's up? Where are the dumb ones?
Great.
This is a good one, I think. Alright. Yeah. Alright, who else? Where are we at? You guys, everybody here right? Hasbro? Do you need one?
Yeah, I can switch out the batteries.
Okay. Do this one.
Where
These
are the
need-
dead batteries?
Right here, yeah. And then.
Sorry.
I just totally forgot to check these. Oh, these dead?
No, those are good.
Good. Okay, thank you. Almost threw them right there. All right.
I'll give you my keys.
Oh, this is one. Oh, sweet. I can get your car then.
Can I
What a
leave
great
my
trade.
phone?
Wait,
Or my...
I got one left. I believe. Yeah. Where'd the batteries go? We still have some? Oh, good.
Thank you.
Thank you. You will come out of there. I don't know. Will you come out of there? Yeah. I got no fingernails. Can you? Thank you. I took your ID, right? Your keys. Well, I have no more no more after that one.
Oh.
Yeah, these two have to be plugged in. Charge them. I have these, but they're not going to do you any good.
Really?
Really, they won't sort things. Sorry,
okay.
buddy. Here you go. Let's move the cover. I'm so happy I got that on film.